This is the prototype we have done for low impact development on urban areas. This prototype has done to prevent the flood in 5 ways using the low impact development. In this green roof, there are 8 layers, with that is vegetation, growing medium, filtering layer, draining layer, roof barrier, waterproof membrane, thermal insulation, and finally structural roof. In this vegetation, here the plants may be grown. In here, Indian variety like sedum, stone crops, or grasses like vetiver grass or bamboo can also be used here. It has the capacity to capture 70% rainfall over a given time, leaving underground stormwater system and releasing the rain. There is an advantage, it also reduces the citywide ambient temperatures by up to 5 degree Fahrenheit. It is rain barrel. It is also act as a storage medium to store water. When the rain falls above the roof, it collects it. When the storm water arises, it collects the rainwater and stores in it. Capture water can be used for domestic purpose but not for drinking. It can be used for watering the plants. This rain barrel reduces the flood as well as water runoff and water pollution. This is rain garden. It is a shallow depression planted with the native plants. It captures rain and infiltrates rain before it becomes polluted stormwater runoff. In this rain garden, a temporary storage is attached because when the stormwater arises, when the water exceeds in the storage, the water can be stored, and after the stormwater gets off, the water may slowly drown into the soil. Come, let's destroy the rain garden. See here. See, when stormwater get more, the water may can get into the temporary storage. See, in this destroy, you can find some water is present inside the temporary storage. Later on, it may move on to the soil. Permeable pavement. The permeable pavement method can be used in roads as well as in parking places, even in public as well as in home too. This is a paying system that captures and temporarily stores the stormwater retention volume, and when the stormwater gets over, it releases the water into the soil. This permeable pavement can be mostly used in sidewalks for public and at the same time low traffic roads. Apart from low traffic roads, conventional method of road construction can be prescribed. This is bioswale. This can be commonly a ditch with soil and grass. This is a method which improves urban water systems. Bioswales reduce flooding by the decreased elevation and connected channelization which guide water towards them. When the water reaches this bioswale system, the water may get off through the soil. This method minimizes the overflow of water, improves the quality of surface water, and prevents the groundwater from drying out. Now, let's destroy the permeable pavement. See here, when the water is poured through the pores in the road, the water may get ejected. See here, the water were poured more, but now the water were reduced. Come, let's destroy the bioswale. When the stormwater is present in the road, when the water is more, through the decreased elevation, the bioswale may get absorb the water and move the water into the soil. By this, the flood or stormwater may get reduced. On applying these LED techniques in houses as well as public places in urban areas, floods can be prevented, and it provides way for betterment and development in India.